welcome to our channel. Good to see you after a long time. Today we are going to see about Flask, which is a framework for building REST APIs. With Flask, you can also build machine learning APIs. One of the much needed functionality for creating machine learning APIs is that you need to upload your files, data sets, whether it is a CSV file, image file, or any Excel files. In order to do that, you can use Flask to build such web APIs in minutes. We have also published a video on Flask on our channel, which demonstrates how to process and visualize the real-time data using Flask. If you want to watch that video, click on the above link to watch it. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Flask to create a web API that helps you to upload your files. Let's get started. So I have created a folder upload file. So I'm going to create app.py file, which helps you to upload the files and create that REST API. So I'm going to use PyCharm. I have created a folder called upload file, and in that I created a templates folder again, and inside that I put that upload.html file. So I can show you what's in the upload.html file. This is a very simple HTML file which has a form element, and you have two inputs. One is to get the file, and the type of the input is file, and also there is a submit button. So this is a very simple HTML file. So you also need to create app.py file for creating this web applications, where you need to specify the HTML file. So as you can see, we need two imports. One is two libraries. One is Flask library, which is to render template, and also creating that post request. And so you also need workzone library, which helps to import the secure file name, which helps to save your file. So this is a very simple Flask application. You are initializing the Flask using this Flask library, and also creating this path for uploading the file. So remember that we use a render template, and this upload.html file is what we have created inside the template folder. As you can see, upload.html file, it should be located in templates folder. It should follow this directory structure in order to uh, successfully run this Flask application. So after you give this upload.html file, so that's where it is going to be redirected. And you also have a upload file method, and you need to give this name upload. Uh, and make sure that you use the same name, and also you can make two types of methods. One is get method and the post method, but in this case we are going to use the request method post. So request dot files of files, you get the file and store it in if, and also get that file name and use secure underscore file name function in order to save that file. And once the file is uploaded, you are just going to simply say that file uploaded successfully. So in the main you just need to use app.run, which is again to run this Flask application. So I'm going to run this application, and as you can see, this is running on the local host and with the port number 5000. So right click on it. I'm going to open it in Chrome. As you can see, we have created two inputs in the HTML file, one for uploading the file, which is of the input type file itself, and also you have a submit button. So click on this, and let me just download some files from the internet. And I'm going to the images, and let's take this file. I'm going to save this as under. Yeah. So I'm going to go in here. I think it is in the slime folder. So I'm going to import this Honda image. So this one, I'm going to create just going to hit the submit button, and that's it. So file has uploaded successfully. As you can see, we have created a folder called upload. So the file that we have uploaded will be uploaded inside the upload folder. Let's refresh this. Let's see the file. Let's go to the upload file, and you have this uploaded file. Stored it in your the folder location where the app is located. So let me just upload a simple spreadsheet and see if that's possible or not. So we can also upload the CSV file. As you can see, it should be in the upload file folder. So it has uploaded that CSV file inside the upload file where the app is located. I hope you have found this interesting. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have any comments, write it in our comment section. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.